The AI revolution is here, transforming every industry. For many years, HPE has been a trusted partner, helping customers to navigate monumental shifts, from the rise of cloud to the explosion of the edge. We've helped them manage the complexity of transformation before, and AI, well, it's no different. The stakes, however, are much higher. In the Dark Matter documentary series, The UK AI Revolution, sponsored by HPE, we heard from experts across the UK about the UK's journey to AI. But how is HPE making AI transformation real for businesses?
I think that the opportunity is undoubtedly huge, not just for national competitiveness, but also productivity within UK PLC. So what we've heard from the government themselves is they're committed to becoming an AI maker, not an AI taker. But what I've seen when speaking to customers across the region that I lead is that enterprise implementation is lagging behind some of the cutting edge consumer AI that we are seeing. So helping organisations with bridging the gap is where we have great experience, and something that I'm truly excited about and incredibly proud of.
This is our opportunity for the UK to thrive again as UK PLC. It's an opportunity for us to put ourselves on the map again and to be a real shining light in what AI can do.
We've been really fortunate to enjoy some long-term partnerships with some very big organisations around the world. And those organisations have been wanting to test and understand how they can bring more control and more sovereignty to their IT delivery model. And HPE has been very fortunate to go on that journey with those organisations and learn a huge amount about what sovereignty actually means in real terms and what technologies and partners are needed to make it very successful.
Okay, the question is no longer if you adopt AI, but how you embark on the complex journey. So, how can HPE support enterprises, regardless of their size or maturity, in navigating a trusted, considered strategic path?
The reality is this is not just a technology problem. So there are many different hurdles to overcome. So we've got to meet businesses where they are and with their unique set of challenges in mind. Some organisations need support with their data strategy. Others are struggling to refresh legacy technology.
The biggest challenges I'm seeing at the moment, and it doesn't matter what size organisation it is what's the entry point to AI? I think so many people are going, where do I start? The blueprint for us is really simple. We go right back to basics. What is the business outcome that organisation is trying to achieve by the use of AI?
So, if it's strategic guidance and planning that organisations are looking for, then HPE's advisory and professional services create the framework, transforming goals into verifiable use cases, ensuring every step is commercially viable.
We're really focusing on those proof of value. How do you get a customer really simply, really quickly, with relatively little budget and cost to work out whether that is going to actually benefit their business?
Our job as a technology partner is to bring clarity and simplicity to the journey to AI from that starting point. Many of the customers that I speak to across all industries have unique skills and unique value to start with. So we need to provide the visibility into what else is required to complement that. It's about finding the right solution for you. It might not be about jumping to full-scale AI production. It could be starting with a solid data strategy that unlocks your organization's proprietary value and starting to develop in-house skills as a great example.
Okay, so once the strategic path is clear, what does it mean to develop modern AI infrastructure to support this?
The ultimate goal is to develop a repeatable blueprint. So we're really focused in on three areas: people, technology and economics. Operational AI requires much more than just the compute that grabs the headlines today. The AI Factory portfolio that we've engineered helps to accelerate this blueprint, addressing the storage, networking, software, and cooling of the data center, which is all required alongside the compute requirement.
What we're offering our customers is choice as to whether they take the tools and the platform and implement that themselves, or whether they would prefer that HPE implemented and managed that technology on their behalf. And we can accommodate whichever choice they make. If they would like a turnkey full stack solution, then within our portfolio, our private cloud portfolio, we have PCAI and also private cloud for enterprise, which basically gives all of that complexity to HPE. And equally, if you want to customize more and implement it with your own teams, then we have HPE GreenLake Flex, which gives you the flexibility and the ability to actually tailor things precisely how you want them, and everywhere in between. And that's the choice that we make. We've got the technology. How you consume that technology as a customer is up to you.
This capability is built on a deep heritage.
The capability of building AI systems is very, very similar to that we learned over the past decades designing high-performance computing systems for the world's most powerful computers.
For the world's most demanding national-scale challenges, the apex of AI deployment, HPE delivers systems based on supercomputing architecture.
I think about Bristol in the UK as being a great example where we're implementing a huge NVIDIA system for what will be the UK's largest AI supercomputer.
It's also important to recognise the skills gap we have in the nation to be able to build and maintain this technology. There is a huge job for the government, for academia and businesses to train the next generation of AI professionals. And that's where our decades of experience become a real strength, whether it's a supercomputer or developing the foundation for your first AI use case. It's a team sport, but with the right partner, you can get more than technology.
It's becoming clear for the vast majority of organizations, AI is a hybrid workload. Data resides everywhere, at the edge, in the cloud, and on-premise.
There are many reasons why AI is a hybrid workload. The first is trust and governance. If you think about sensitive public sector projects or the financial services industry, managing data residency and digital sovereignty is paramount. The second is speed. Real-time inference needs ultra-low latency, and that requires computing at the edge, right where the data is being generated, whether that's a hospital or a factory floor. We believe in a hybrid approach that allows organizations to maintain full control over these things and extract maximum value from the AI project.
We find that our customers are under increasing pressure to do more with less. And obviously lots of legacy and different disparate systems have built up over many years. And our customers are wrestling with multiple operating models, public cloud operating models, private cloud potentially, different models for managing and securing the edge as well. And ultimately what our customers are looking for is that unified cloud operating model, which gives them consistency, gives them security, but enables them to build a catalogue of digital services that they can innovate on quickly for their customers and their internal stakeholders. And that's what we've been engineering for and innovating on in HPE over these last 10 years with HPE GreenLake. From what was a commercial model to a consumption model, now a full platform experience, which includes things like OpsRamp, which gives you that observability deep within your infrastructure and the way of managing it. Morpheus, which is that multi-cloud, multi-domain, multi-vendor tool that enables you to abstract away from your complexity to something that's far easier to manage under a holistic approach. So that's the offer that HPE with GreenLake brings, the opportunity to remove that complexity so that you can focus on building fit-for-purpose next-generation digital services.
Not many people know, we are classed as one of the top 3 sustainable data center transformation providers globally. And we're also a leader in delivering hybrid cloud transformation services and artificial intelligence. So we do have great capability and pedigree in being able to take customers on that journey and giving them that experience, giving them the agnostic credibility. And that's not even thinking about, some of the great expertise we have in our AI centers of excellence. We have some amazing talent that is at the cutting edge of the latest and greatest technology.
Okay, so the takeaway here is that HPE provides not just the technology, but the essential guidance and education to ensure that leaders and policymakers and citizens are equipped to make informed decisions about AI adoption.
HPE has got the technology and innovation, but it's also got practical experience of how you actually deploy in a real world situation sovereignty and disconnected type technologies. We've kind of walked the walk, been on that journey already, and we feel very informed and capable to deliver against those kind of requirements.
I think this is a critical moment for our nation to choose conviction over caution and ensure the technology is put to the right use to support UK PLC. We recognise the responsibility we hold in delivering this and are motivated to getting it right. If we do get it right, then we stand to unlock huge advancements in research and productivity or output for companies, solidifying the position that the UK is looking for in the era of AI. That is our shared ambition.